I'm in her whole back as well.
I mean,
trying to stay alive and take care of my people. They don't have no one for that. Trophies.
Good job, man. Good job, man.
Keep it juicy, juicy. I eat that lunch. She keep that booty, booty. She keep that pump. That natural beauty, beauty. Yeah, yeah. If you could see it from the front till you see it from the back, back, till you see it back, yeah.
what's up, y'all? It is Sunday morning. I'm just gonna finish my outfit, finish getting ready by putting on my last thing, which is my necklace. Trying to find out which way I should put it on. So I got this necklace from, I think it's pronounced Sayalin, on Instagram. You guys have already seen this necklace on my Instagram, but not on YouTube before. Fire. Fire. I know my husband's gonna be like, what? We're going to breakfast. But I don't care. Bitch, when I look like money. Look how this junk shine. Just, ooh. It's a little elevated situation. I need to put on my perfume and my glasses. I love the necklace. This is a tennis necklace. Sapphire, I think, is the stone. This is man-made, 17 inches in sterling silver with a clasp in the back. Super fire. Love everything about it. Here's my code to save you a little bit of money, just in case you want to get you one too, or something else. Everybody want to look like money, but not spend a lot of money. You know what I'm saying? So this is perfect. Love it, love it, love it.
If you could see it from the front, you say you so you in the cat, yeah. You like it thick, you like it fat, yeah. Like it keep on wanting more. You ask me, told you where you at, huh? And I wanna know how long it take to pull my pants up. Hold a finger, net it in some. Tryna squeeze into my true religion, that
I just got her hair done now. You cute. Oh my God, I'm tired. All right, let's get out of here. Thanks, Mom. Thank you, Grandma.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna change this video. I don't want to watch this. Good morning. You missing out, Adrian, because this coffee is good.
Okay, let me go get some of mine that she poured out for me so graciously.
Today is Saturday.
This is good.
It is good, right? It's only, oh, it's about to be 12 o'clock. It's 11:45 and I already did a Walmart grocery pickup. I plan on finishing an order today for a website. Yes. And baby girl has a scrimmage today, so we have to go do that. And Forrest trying to see himself in the camera, but he can't. Can you see yourself? Oh, why are you looking at the camera like that? He's eating his second breakfast. Just like your sister, eating 2 breakfasts. Yeah, so I've already like done so much stuff today. I already did a reel that probably won't be until like later in the future when I post it after the company approves it. Actually, I need to finish another reel that I did, not reel, a YouTube short that I did for a company. Yeah, I have to insert the portion. I don't know. I need to go do that because I tried to do it yesterday and it was just a fail. So I'm gonna do that. I've been really wanting to do a maintenance vlog. I kind of want to straighten my hair now that it's starting to cool down, but I went outside today to get those groceries, and even though it wasn't in the 90s, it was still really humid. But I do have this product that's supposed to stop humidity from getting into your hair like that, so maybe I should try it. I don't know. I really just want to see what my hair looks like straight, since I haven't straightened it, obviously, since I cut it. But let's see. Oh, the high is 91 and it's supposed to rain literally every day until next Monday. Love that for us. Yeah, right now it's only 89 degrees, but it already feels like 101. That is goddamn ridiculous. 67% humidity. Child, I'm not straightening my hair. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing that. I just put up all the groceries that y'all saw earlier. Refilled my my bins and stuff. This is what he do. I feed him and he just pokes me in my face. I'm so glad your nails are clipped. We are out in the world, and as you can see, probably it's pouring. It looks brighter on camera than what it is in real life because it's pretty dark outside.
Too dark and gloomy out here.
So we're going to we're in the line right now at McDonald's.
Look at this.
So we'll get some french fries, something real quick. See, this is why I don't like umbrellas. I'm not gonna show this lady, but I hate umbrellas because they keep you dry, and then when you get in the car, all that goes to shit. Because your umbrella wets you as you're pulling it in the car, and then your car is also from the umbrella. I don't like umbrellas. Random. Okay. And that lady, you got an umbrella. That ain't doing nothing for you, ma'am. That umbrella's too little. It's too little, ma'am. Too little. Yeah, it's too little. Too little.
I bet her whole back is wet.
I mean, I'm so hungry, y'all. Honestly, I do not like McDonald's. Wait, hold on. The only thing I would get from McDonald's is like if I had to get food is chicken. And right now I'm seeing a crispy chicken sandwich.
For $6?
It's $6.
I think you get.
Oh no, that's the. Oh yeah, for the meal. Is that chicken? Is that chicken though? That look like fish up there. That chicken sandwich deluxe though, that's fire.
Fresh trays on the corner playing face. I'm an ordinary person with a pay. Wipe it out. Famous like the Ninja Turtle. Wipe it out. Just left New York City, hooked up with P. Diddy, and I'm blown past 50. You gon' have wipe it out. We the best on the food. I'm the human man. Red, white, green, light, yellow, light, get it out. Oh, wipe it out. Oh, wipe it out. You're all I'm living for. You are my lady. You're everything you need. Oh, can I tell the truth? If I was doing this for you, then I had nothing left to prove. Nah, this for me though. I'm just trying to stay alive and take care of my people. They don't have no boy for that. Trophies.
Okay, I just had to show y'all this. Be quiet. chicken sandwich. Look at this. Now I put ranch on it, but got a little brioche, you know. It had 3 pickles. They even put it in a little foil wrap thing. It's not Chick-fil-A, okay? I already know this from jump, but we're gonna try it. I mean, the flavor is good. It's slightly dry. I'll tell you, it's too much. I don't know if it's because I'm getting older or what, but after I eat, I want to take a nap. Okay, if I have a good, if I finish this, I'm gonna be finished. My mind's telling me no. Oh, stop. Okay, but for real,
This was from way long ago.
what is that?
That was the spaghetti that you sent me out to my dad's house.
Why is it got spaghetti in it?
I do not know. I think it's just scraps.
That's not nasty at all.
So does you bring it back. I'm a big dog trying to eat the kitty cat. I'ma slide in the way it fit. I can tell we match. All about my racks, hella cheese. I don't for rats. Big crib in Hollywood. I don't even come relax. Let it attack. What you want?
I just want to know, is it 0.05 cents for gas? Cause I should have got some. You watching Asia?
Oh, baby, come on. How you gonna do this shit right now?
I told you don't shoot nobody. What do you do when you walk this motherfucker and shoot somebody?
That's what I do.
I got to go it.
Come on.
Ah, man. Let's try again.
Come on.
Oh no, you're getting frustrated.
There you go. Good job, man. Good job, man.
We're at Costco. Kind of chill day. We went to Costco just for like a hot second. Like literally was in there. We didn't do no browsing. Just got what we needed to get and got out. It was like 15 minutes, maybe less than that. I haven't really been doing much but watching TV. After this, after he gets done cooking, we're gonna watch. We have 3 shows. We're gonna watch Canaan. I don't know what it's called, but Canaan, we're gonna watch that. We're gonna watch something else, and then the Dragons, the Game of Thrones spin-off type thing. We're gonna watch that. I need some shows so I can watch myself, so I'm taking suggestions. I'm gonna put them down. We literally just watched Get Rich or Die Trying earlier today to see if there was any context that would play into Canaan. Again, I don't know if that's what the show's called. I can't think right now. Oh, who do you, baby? Yeah. I need to go get my son so my husband can cook. Because I'm not trying to do no cooking. I do it during the week, okay? I ain't had enough. Alright, so I'm learning you guys today. My God, these old episodes is something else. Like April is pregnant. And Paisley doesn't have any surgeries yet. I mean, maybe her boobs, but I don't know. I can hear my husband over there talking shit about me. I gotta